Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI disaster video for free. Okay, for today's tutorial guys, we're going to use Pixverse AI to create disaster video, and you can use it for free. You can visit app.pixverse.com and then you're going to sign in with your Google account. And after you sign into this website, you can earn 60 daily credits. So you can use this credit to create a video, and then you can choose image or text right here. You can upload an image as a reference, or you can add the prompt only. And this is the prompt that you can use to create the disaster video. And then here you can choose the duration and the aspect ratio. And then I'm just going to click on create, and it needs 20 credits. Okay, and you will get 60 credits for free guys for your daily credits. Okay, and now the video is being generated. You can change the aspect ratio actually, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and this is the result. And yeah, it looks cool. And you can modify the prompt guys. For example, you can create another disaster. And yeah, it's so cool and you can try it. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!